And now, the Whooping Company, makers of the famous remedy for colds, Whooping Cough Drops, presents your favorite detective mystery show, Sam Quarry, Private Detective. But first, a word about our product. Folks, get a box of Whooping Cough Drops. It's the only cough drop that contains carbolic acid. Put one in your mouth and watch your cough disappear. And also, your tonsils, your tongue, and your teeth. Friends, Whooping Cough Drops have instant action. Listen to how they work. Here's a man suffering from a horrible cold.
I'll say I've got a bad cold. Give me a whooping cough drop, please.
I will now give this poor man a whooping cough drop. He swallowed it, and now, sir, tell us, how do you feel?
Just wonderful. I feel great.
I need to speak to the factory. They're making him too strong.